I'd like to take this opportunity to nominate our unit chairman, Jeremy Williams, who's been part of this unit for over 30 years for going the extra mile. Jeremy's been a volunteer at Rhondda Sea Cadets since 1985, and he was a cadet before that time. He's held many positions in the command team. He is very forward-thinking and has championed collaborative working with other groups and organisations, not just in Rhondda and Taff, but across Wales. Jeremy has ensured that every opportunity for any new activity, project that comes along, our young people can get involved. From a training weekend, competitions, from not just our district, our area and nationally. Jeremy, along with the volunteer team, have tried to instill a sense of community and belonging to all young people in everything they do, whether this is helping to marshal events, bucket collections, bagpacks and poppy appeals. We believe he's a truly inspirational person that has, without doubt, changed the lives of many young people in Rhondda and Taff in a positive way. Jeremy regularly gives up many hours a week, not just the nights we are open. This is to ensure that young people attending Sea Cadets can get the best possible experience they can. Thank you, Jeremy. It's been great working with you over the years.